Welcome back to my flavor maps. I'm Charlie, and today we're exploring why 10 seconds and a little bit of tech are the difference between a dry meal and a perfect one. We're putting the master blend to work on a power pair of chicken and potatoes. My prep, not bad. I got one chicken breast. I beat it down to a consistent thickness. It's easier on the hands if you use a mallet and ensures every fiber cooks at the same rate, tenderizing. After drying it, I used a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil as a binder for the heavy helping of my master blend. I did the exact same thing with a quartered russet potato. Because I'm using an air fryer setting at about 400 degrees. Now, you see, I'm coming from a background of cooking massive meals. I used to eyeball everything. It's a lot easier. But when you're cooking for one or maybe two, in the Skoolie especially, the margin of error is tiny. This is where the heavy hitter comes in, the instant read thermometer. I would have never used it. It takes 10 seconds, but it's the most important 10 seconds of the cook. If I had guessed, I would have left the chicken in way too long. Computer, what's the secret to pulling chicken at the right time in the air fryer?
The magic happens when you hit that perfect 165 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature. Grab a meat thermometer and check the thickest part of the piece. Most chicken takes around 12 to 15 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. But don't trust time alone, since thickness is the real boss here. Look for firm texture without being rock solid, and clear juices when you poke it. Your air fryer's got no sense of timing anyway.
I let the potatoes ride a little bit so they reached that fluffy 200 degree. Paired it all with some leftover acorn squash from last night. By being precise, I didn't just make a dinner, I made two high-protein, nutrient-dense meals. We're looking at about 30 grams of protein, about 6 grams of fiber per plate, because I made the two meals, all for around 350 calories. It's a clean, it's a fast, and it's because the instant read thermometer made it perfect. It goes to show you, even when the recipe changes, you can still cook up a life you love. Deuces.